In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default applications on your Motorola mobile phone. Whether you want to change the default phone app, SMS app, browser, assistant, or anything else, this option is very easy to follow. Make sure you follow the steps I'm going to show you step by step to avoid any confusion or errors. So to change this, first open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone, then scroll down and select the apps option. After that, you will see another option called default apps. Tap on it. Here you will see a list of categories. Since in my mobile phone I have only installed Chrome, it shows only one browser. In your case, it will be different depending on the apps you have installed on your device. You can choose whichever app you want as the default. Not only that, you can also choose which app should open links by default. So this is how you can change the default apps on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks followed by different gadget and mobile reviews on this channel.